Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in my new car, which is a Volkswagen Passat GTE 2020, I would like to introduce you to some features of the park assist, this one here, that I was also very curious about when I was watching reviews of the car before buying it. So I'd like to tell you about the four features of the park assist, right, which is this button right here. Basically, the park assist can parallel park um, near the side of the road, can perpendicularly park with the back, can perpendicularly park with the front, and can also assist you in getting out of a parking. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, we're here in a parking lot where I could see we have a couple of places where we can test it. So first of all, right behind me, there is a really nice place where we can parallel park, and right there between the blue car and the white van or the gray van, we will park perpendicularly. All right, so first of all, we have to get closer to the parking spot behind me, and for this we'll go into reverse. Of course, we will have to scan first the parking place, and we'll do this by going past the place, not in reverse because it doesn't work in reverse. We'll have to scan it while going further. But first, let's move here, and then we'll park right behind this car right here, this white van. All right, let's see how we do this. First of all, you can see also we have the 360 camera. All right. Okay, so now we move ahead. We engage the park assist. Now, if we're going to park on the right side, you don't have to use the signal, but because you can see here in the dashboard, we already get the information that it's seeking parking places on the right side. If we want to seek on the left side, all we have to do is engage the signal for the left side, and it will search on the left side. But for now, on the right side, so we're going to ask it to park right behind that van. So then with the park assist on, let's move next to it, and then we'll see here in the dashboard the signal that we can it can let it park by itself. Let's see if we have the signal here. Hey, there you go, right? So now you can see we have, it's mentioning to us that all we have to do is go into reverse and it will do its thing. Let's see. So now we engage reverse. We get notification here, steering interview. So then it asks us to just release the brake. And you can also see here on the right side, you can see already the steering wheel has started to move. On the right side, that blue bar, that tells us how long do we have to keep in the same reversing or going forward. So let's see. All right, now I'm just releasing the brake. I'm not doing anything else. Just releasing the brake. Easy. Not doing anything. There you go. There you go. Now we get the signal to move forward. You can see also the blue bar on the right side has ended. So this means that we have to move forward. And basically, yeah, that's it. You can go even closer, but that's sufficient. And it also gets the notification, park assist stopped, please take over steering, meaning that you can take back and continue to drive, or put it in park, and that's it, right? So it's a good thing that we're here, because as you can see, we're very, very, very close to this car in front of us, right? So maybe it's less than 1 meter. So whenever you're stuck between two cars, especially when you're parallel park like we are now, it's great that you can also use the park assist to get out of the parking. A little bit more complicated, let's say, than going into park, because there's some procedures that you have to follow, a process that you have to follow. But let's see the process. So all you have to do is, while you are in parking, use the park assist button. It also tells us here, right? Please indicate and engage reverse gear. Please indicate meaning that you have to use the signal, the left signal, right, that you want to move on to get out on the left side, and then go into reverse. You can see again we got a notification and just releasing the brake. Now it says to move forward, right? So it already moved the wheel into the direction that allows us to get out, and then we can take over the wheel. Great. Okay, so this is how you parallel park, and this is how you get out of a parking. Now let's test the reverse parking, the perpendicularly reverse parking, and let's park between these two cars, this blue one and the white van. And again, all you have to do is engage the park assist. Now it's engaged, and because we want to park on the left side, we engage the left signal. So let's move past the cars until we get a notification. All right, that should be enough, right? We can see we get here the notification. So of course, let's now move into reverse. Not doing anything, or maybe I should, because I don't think it picked up the right spot. All right, let's try again now. I think it was looking for the other spot behind the blue car, so I'll put it in reverse. Okay, now it's putting us in the right spot. Okay, so we're just reversing, watching for the car behind us. Stop, and it says move forward. And we're moving forward. And now it says move back. So I go into reverse. I slowly reverse, I just ease out on the brake. Yeah. And I would say we're exactly at the equal distance between the two cars. Right. I think we can also see here on the 360 camera, it's even distance between the two cars, right? And I was also actually asking us to move a little bit forward. Maybe he wants to align us a little bit more. Yeah, why not? Oh, now, and I can now back. Perfect. Perfect parking. All right, so this is how you perpendicularly park with the back of the car going into reverse. But let's see how we can perpendicularly park going with the front. Okay, so this car just moved out of the parking place. No worries, we'll maybe find another one or try. Yeah, let's find another one, right? Maybe it's between two cars, because here it would be too easy. Let's see. So now we move into drive and we move out of the parking space. Let's say I want to park here, right here, and between these two cars. So then again, I engage the park assist. For now it's looking for parallel park, but after scanning it will recognize that actually I'm looking for a perpendicular park. Okay, now it recognizes, and as you can see now it's asking us to move into reverse, so to park with the back first. But if I want to park with the front first, all I have to do is press again on the park assist, and now it changes, the graphic changes, because this tells the park assist that I want to move forward. So I will do what it's asking of me to put in reverse, but you can see it's actually asking me to move out of the parking because it will have to enter with the front. So let's see. Let's go into reverse. Let's see what it does here. It's a very, very interesting process of parking with the front because it does a lot of maneuvers. Let's see. Okay, so it's moving us somehow diagonally. It's making some room for itself, right? You can see. And now it says to move forward. Let's put in forward drive. Okay. Oh, I think it will put us here. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Now back. Yeah. So actually, it recognized this spot, not this one here. But I guess that's fine also, right? Also, these cars, as you can see, are not ideally parked. This one is very far away from the edge there, and this one is a very small car. But now let's move front. Oh, I'm very close there. I have to go back. And it's still going back, and now it says move forward. Wow, look at this, look at all of these maneuvers. Okay, now reverse. As you can see, the car is not straight yet. All right, now it's bringing it to be aligned in the parking, on the parking. Stop. There you go. Perfect. Right. And then we also get the notification there. All right, so this is how you parallel park, perpendicularly park, back, front, and then you also use the park assist to get out of the out of a parallel park. Great. All right, thank you for watching this. I hope you tested it, and let me know if you have any questions about the system. I think it's working really good. Of course, it has some downsides. When it's on a very narrow street, it will sometimes tell you that it doesn't have a lot of space for maneuvering, meaning that it will be a car on the left side, so it doesn't have a lot of room to swing. But yeah, that's just a safety protocol of Volkswagen. All right, well, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, take care.